Come with me as we check out my latest listing in Sienna. Listed at $279,000, this starter home has something for everyone. This main floor space could be an office or second living room. Over here is your half bath downstairs. We'll check out the upstairs in just a sec, but this is your open concept kitchen, complete with large pantry, gas stove, dishwasher, and back behind these doors is your washer and dryer. This is your living space right off the kitchen. Outside we have a very low maintenance backyard, perfect for gardening, entertaining, and relaxing. And a detached garage so you don't smell the garage from the kitchen. Let's quickly run upstairs and check out your secondary bedrooms. What I like the most about this home is, number one, it's well maintained. Number two, it's in Sienna, which is an amazing community with amazing amenities. And most importantly, number three, it is zoned to some of the top schools in Fort Bend County.